As I've said in some of my previous videos, 2024 is going to be a year where I try to implement some of my favorite stories or historical eras into my bullet journal setups. And for February, since it's the month of Chinese New Year, I decided to do something inspired by a Chinese costume drama, The Legend of the Phoenix. I had been watching it recently and it's one of my favorite costume dramas ever. The costumes are just so dramatic. And also I thought I could do some ancient Chinese inspired cherry blossoms, since February is a great time to implement cherry blossoms into your bullet journal as well. So I started with the cherry blossoms by just taking a black brush pen, and then I added the cherry blossoms using red and pink brush pens and just dabbing it in little clusters all around the branches. And then it was time to add some of the characters from The Legend of the Phoenix, so I just roughly sketched those out in pencil and then went over them in black gel pen. Of course, no Chinese-themed bullet journal spread would be complete without some gold, so I used a gold marker to write the words February Goals in Chinese characters. As always, my cover page is a Dutch door, so we will be coming back to this later to put in the habit trackers and the month at a glance hidden behind the Dutch door. I then colored in the two Chinese ladies. And a little tip here, if you color something in red, put down an orange base underneath to make the colors pop and just give the red a much more vibrant shade. I did the same for the lanterns as well, by the way. Moving on to my weekly spreads, I'm back to a vertical layout as it just works best for me. I've tried horizontal spreads and they can look really cute, but vertical is just much more practical, as I never seem to end up with a comprehensive planning system on my horizontal ones, so I just prefer to have a column with the days and then another column with a to-do list. So that's what I usually go for, although I do switch up the designs slightly from week to week depending on what I feel like. And now going back to the Dutch door in the cover spread, we're going to add our habit trackers, labeled in Chinese characters as well, and a month at a glance on the other side, just like that. And now it's time for the final flip through. I just love how this theme came out and I can't wait to use it. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see what theme we'll be picking for next month. If you have suggestions, by the way, feel free to drop them in the comments now. I'm always happy to hear new ideas for future spreads, etc. So if you have any thoughts or ideas, write them in the comments and I will try to implement them in the coming months.